Okay. I'm a trendsetter. Ay, I'm a trendsetter. I'm a trendsetter. Okay. Let go.
Hey, okay, I know I'm here to stay. Counting on my wins, so I can't play it safe. Trying to go against us, get you out the way. Go hard, it's the only way to play. Let me say, I'm a trendsetter. I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. Who can do it better? I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. Hey, look.
He'll go 3 wide down the back straightaway. Money up top. Gustus in the middle. Sproul on the prowl down around the bottom of the racetrack. Eddie Bellick just lurking and waiting back there in that 4 spot. Still 3 wide down the front straightaway. They go at the line. Play Money, your race leader, lap number 1. It's 3 wide. Beat. Tyler Tipton coming through his lane. Kyle Piper be the leader, lap number 1. Tipton down around the bottom.
Yeah, they know I'm the one that set the trends, dog. Tell them tenfold, I'm gonna change the tempo, okay.